Hey everybody, Gina DeLuca here. All right, today I'm going to be doing a flip and float, or there's so many different names for all these techniques. Basically, I'm going to do a flip cup and then just tilt it around and let it seep out. As opposed to a flip and drag where you're controlling the direction of your cup. This will just be floating it around and letting Chant have her way. This is a 12 by 12 canvas. It doesn't really need a lot of paint. I do want some negative space here. So I'm just going to use these little 2-ounce cup for the floating. And I have some leftover white. All these paints are leftover from other paintings. I had, these are all Liquitex Basics. And this is Phthalo Blue, Cadmium Yellow Deep Hue, Phthalo Green, a mix of Naphthol Crimson and Cadmium Yellow Deep and Light, I think, and Dioxazine Purple. Kind of a Mardi Gras thing going on here. Okie dokie. The first thing I'm going to do is put some paint in my cup. The first color I'm going to put in is a touch of white. All right. Let's see. There's no silicone in anything here. Okay, and now the orange. And a little white for good measure. Ooh, that was not a good measure. That's very full. And now to lay down our base coat. Okay, let's do this. Somehow. Ooh. Okay, I guess we're starting there. I could have just slid it on there. Probably should have. Okay, let me put a little bit of white around this edge so it has some extra juice to float around in. Sometimes I will poke holes in the bottom of it. That will help it seep out faster. But I wanted some pastel action going on. There is really a good suction formed here though. Not ideal. Just letting a little out at a time. I do want to stretch this a bit. All right, well, I'm going to accentuate that very pretty pastel lacing there. Do want to make sure to keep some of that purple. All right, I think I like that composition. I'm gonna leave it just like that. Back in a few. Okay, here it is. Lots of very pretty cell action. No silicone, don't need it. Does work better when you're using fresh paints though. Now there was some blending here, making pastels. Oh, that looks like a cat. I'll snap. Oh, I may have to embellish that. That is the perfect shape of a cat's head. It looks like my Satchmo. All right, so there it is. Different effects if you poke a hole in the bottom. The colors come out much more vibrant and a lot faster. This gives you a lot of pastel action on the edges. So depending on what you're going for, but I dig it. All right, if you find these videos helpful, or at least entertaining, please do like and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. And You can check out the description box below this video for links to my PayPal tip jar if you feel so inclined, and my Amazon store, where anything that you purchase off the entire site of Amazon, I will make a small commission of at no additional cost to you. My website, GinaDeLuca.net, where you can purchase my paintings and my music, including my brand new CD, Better Than Chocolate. And last but certainly not least, there's the cat's paw. Do you see that? Yo, that is a cat. Ooh, I'm gonna have to do something. Last but not least, our group on Facebook, Go Make Some Art. Join us there, post your masterpieces, ask your questions, or just get some inspiration. All right, you guys, that's it for me. I hope y'all have a beautiful day. Now go make some art.